Okay. Yeah. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you, Suraja?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
Even I too fine, dear. Feeling so happy to see you again after 1 week. Gopika, we hadn't met last lecture.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Yes.
was there, but my video was not working.
That's what. See, my memory power is too sharp, yeah. See, I can't recall it even if in after 1 week too. Okay. So very good, very good. Come on, unmute yourself, all of you. Come on, join. Already we are late by 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, Gopika, Parvati, Amrita. Amrita is always hiding. Who is hiding by the side? I need all the trios on screen. Keep the screen big. Yeah. Who is on the left side? Who is the right side? Who is in middle? Just introduce. Okay, come on.
Ma'am, I am Amrita.
You are Amrita on
Yes.
green. Then
Gopika.
who? Amrita, I got. Then who is the next year? Gopika?
Yes,
Gopika
ma'am.
right. Okay. Gopika left. Okay. Then
Ma'am, I miss Parvati.
Parvati is so silent by nature. It seems she's very sincere and very, very shy her nature. Parvati? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Let me know. Anyway, very happy to see you all once again. Okay, I request again, my dear children, unmute yourself. Unless you want unmute, I'm not going to open my mouth. I'm not going to teach you. I need all of you over here. Is it? Come on. How was the rain yesterday?
It was raining pretty hard here.
Today, now also?
Now it's pouring a bit.
Now it's not that much. Niva, Wasim, Afrin, Sneha, Mizia, Ihan, unmute. My dear, it is very shame to force the teacher to tell unmute. Is it now? It may means affect the teaching time and all. So once the lesson started, once the teacher is over here in, okay, some of the technical errors, some of the technical problems I can accept the thing because the weather is bad. Okay, we can't. The excuses are there. Otherwise, simply keeping muted and waiting for somebody to ask or the teacher to ask, my dear, open. It's a kind of request, no? You're making the teacher as a beggar over here. Just the beggars for alms here, the teacher is begging like anything. Okay, net issue from Sneha Soni. Okay, I am agreeing with that. If you're having the net issue, but only one or two, not all, no? We are all over here now. This energy means so the teacher may get that energy, enthusiasm to teach more and more. When you engage the lessons, you will participate in very energetically. Karthik, are you sleeping or sitting now? Sit straight. Keep your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, keep your camera in proper way. Okay. Okay, let's start. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Unmute them. Let's ready. Sit properly. I hope this is your second lecture. Am I?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your second lecture now.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your
ma'am.
first? What's your first?
We talked about what is soft
No.
skills.
Today's first lecture.
It is today's first lecture. It is.
Today this is first lecture. So you must sit very, very energetically, my dears. I'm not feeling that energy from your face. Should
Ma'am,
have
I'm
that
having fever.
enthusiasm. Mizia, Afrin, Faizan.
Ma'am,
There won't
I'm
be any
having
light.
fever. Ma'am.
Huh?
I'm having fever.
You are having fever. Okay. It's not any pandemic like now. Simple
Ma'am, I
fever.
took vaccine, COVID vaccine.
You got the vaccine. Oh, very
Ma'am,
good.
I'm in
No.
Abu Dhabi. So here
You're in
it's
Abu Dhabi.
available.
Okay, there is no age barrier, no? You are getting, all of you getting at a time
Ma'am, above the age of 11.
above the age of 11. How you feel after taking vaccine?
That's what, ma'am. I'm having fever and body
Fever.
pain.
Oh, you're having fever and they're not given any tablets to you?
Ma'am, I'm taking.
You are taking, no? Just take rest, my dear. Nothing more than that. See, for me now, I had taken my vaccine in the month of April itself only. The doctor or the nurse over there, they given me the 4 tablets of that Dolphin or something. It is like that. That's very paracetamol type. I hide it in my hands and I never take it because I don't felt means this is all about our mind. Okay, so Faisal, keep your mind so strong and feel that I am not having anything. I am strong. I am strong. You speak in the all day. Okay, after 1 hour you feel that you are okay. This is my secret of my energy. Okay, whenever I feel giddy, whenever I feel very lazy in my mind or very tired, that time I used to speak, no, Manjula, you're okay, you're okay, you're okay, you're well. Okay, so speak like that. Okay, anyway, my children, a great morning to all of you. I'm moving to the topic that is soft skills. As we discussed in the last lecture, what we discussed, Suraja, help me to rewind the lessons.
Ma'am, we basically talked about what is soft skills about
Yeah.
and what is the difference between hard skills and soft skills.
Wow, very good.
Then we talked about
Ah.
how we all have good manners, but
Ah.
there are still something lacking.
Yeah.
Will be which we will be trained in the future.
Yeah, exactly, Suraja. Thank you, Suraja, my dear, to remind me all those topics. So last lecture, once again, I'm repeating, Suraja, for the one who missed the lecture. I'll take the review. The first lecture, we explained what is the soft skills. Soft skills are the score skills or the communication skills or the social skills or the people skills. Above all, it is the personality traits. It is entirely different from that of hard skills. Then what is meant by hard skills? Hard skills are those skills which you are getting from your texture, like your subjects, the subject knowledge, the theories, whatever you are gaining from your textual background, whether it may be the science, whether it may be the social studies, whether it may be the English, Malayalam, other languages, mathematics, whatever the subject, geography, technical knowledge, whatever it may be, X, Y, Z. Then we reached the topic like that. Hard skills are very easy to define. But on the other hand, soft skills are little bit. It is very difficult. It is little difficult to define what is soft skills. Because soft skills entirely talk about the personal traits or the personal behavior, our attitude, our manners, and all that. These manners or attitudes or our flexibility in nature is not at all common, or it is uncommon from one person to another, or it is different from one person to another. As I started the example means just before opening up the session itself only, I noticed Gopika, Parvati and who? Gopika, Parvati and Amrita is sitting. I just point out that why this Parvati is so silent, or why this she is very down to earth, sincere, and all that. In that way, that means even they are triplets. At the same time, at the same moment, from the one womb they born, but the personality traits, the personal behavior, attitude, and all that, even if it is different from one person to another person. Then why we need these personalities or soft skills in our personal life or in our social life? Why it's so? Because personality speaks more than your subject knowledge. Subject knowledge can be proved or can be get it through the certificates or your mental ability. But on the other hand, soft skills or people skills or personal skills or social skills can be revealed through your behavior. Your pattern of behavior from top to bottom, it affects. So in that way, this soft skill speaks more. So it is very essential to enrich our soft skills. Enrich our soft skills. As it is said that in America and other European countries, soft skills to pay the bills. It's a phrase they are using. It's a phrase they are using. Just write and keep it. Soft skills to pay the bills. What is the meaning of that? Your soft skills, your personality, your attitude, your behavior speaks or pays more than of your hard skills. So clear the picture of definition, clear the picture of why we need soft skills. Okay, am I right? Am I right, my children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Parvati, give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Loudly. I need always answer from you. Okay. Now the topic is clear for you. What is soft skills? How can we define soft skills? Albin, come on. Just in a one sentence or one word. Yes, my dear. Unmute and speak. Albin. Yes, come on. Come on. I don't have the time. Come on. We have to quick. Yeah. What is meant by soft skills? Soft skills are the set of skills or the core of skill. It may be the people skills or the social skills. Harzan, how can you define soft skills? Come on. Unmute and speak. Unmute. Your mic is muted. Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. How can you define soft skills? So I told before only. This is what do you understand by the word soft skills? Rest of others unmute. Shreya, give the answer. Come on. Who can give the answer? Yeah, Elsa, come on.
Ma'am, soft skills are basically about our personality. It develops our personality.
Wow, very good. It is basically about, it is the soft skills are, it's all about our personality. It develops our personality. Or it is above all, it is the skills. It is a cluster of skills which includes habits, attitudes, social grace. Okay? Agreed with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on. Then we'll move to the next topic. You are clear with that? All of you? Then now we'll see
Yes, ma'am.
why we need these soft skills. Just we'll discuss on this. Why we need soft skills. As we said, soft skills means it is the personal habits, our attitude, our behavior, our personal traits. Why we need these soft skills? Afreen, Akash, Chetan, Ehan, Sneha, Nihan, Gauri Priya. Unmute. Otherwise, I'll mark absentee. Why we need these skills? Wherever we are using these skills.
To improve personality.
Yeah, to improve personality in general, my dear Ashwin, I am agreeing. Very wonderful, very brilliant answer. To improve our personality. Okay, but wherever we are using this personality, yes, Elsa?
And to communicate.
Communicate.
To communication. Then you see, Suraja, communication, we are using the language, communication skills. If you have the communication skill, there is no need of personal skills. I can say like that. Are you agreeing?
Yes, ma'am.
Personal skills are the communication skill, but communication skills are not the personal skill. Are you agreeing this statement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you agreeing the statement? Come on, students.
ma'am.
Involve in the discussion. This is only the discussion topic, not for any hard topic to learn and by heart. I told you before only. In the very first lesson only, I told you. This is whatever the things we are learning through the practice and training and discussion. And there is nothing to give me, nothing there is to give notes like I'm giving, I'll ask, okay, my children, define personality. Can you define personality in a proper way?
No, ma'am.
No, it's different. It is different from one person to another person. My personality is entirely different from that of you. And your personality entirely different from that of your siblings. Am I agree? Siblings means?
Brothers and sisters.
Yeah, brothers and sisters means all two are not equal. And just look around. Your father and mother both are equal in nature. Are they? No, they are not at Asher. They are not at all equal in nature. Is it? And grandparents, are they both are equal in nature? No. Are they children are equal in nature? No. So we never get the beginning with the example of Gopika, Parvati and Amrita. It's a very beautiful example in front of you. Because though they are triplets, they are different. I noticed the nature, I point out the nature too. And Parvati accepted too. Because the person to person, the soul to soul. Soul to soul. Soul means what? A soul. What is meant by soul? That beautiful alive, the soul. S-O-U-L, soul. Have you heard this word?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So the soul to soul, the core of human mind, the core of human body. Without soul, we are not.
Ma'am,
So, yeah, Elsa?
ma'am, invisible body. ma'am.
Invisible body part. It's an invisible body part. But without that, the body won't work. Are you agreeing with that?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. So from soul to soul, Vizya, from body to body, from mind to mind, from top to bottom, personality traits are entirely different from that of one person to another person. See, political leaders. Who is the chief minister of Kerala?
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Yeah, exactly. Who was before Pinarayi Vijayan?
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Oh, before Pinarayi Vijayan also, Pinarayi Vijayan. Very wonderful, brilliant answer. And before him,
Ummanjandi.
Umman Chandi. Just think all are the politicians. Common word is chief minister. Is this Pinarayi Vijayan and Umman Chandi's personal traits are similar? Why I took this example? No, mostly means politicians are come on the screen. You're always watching their movements, the body movements, how they walk, how they speak, how they interact with others. So this is entirely different. Like two famous cine artists. Who are they? Two famous. Bharat Ratna. Who are they? Children, give me the answer quickly. Who are the two famous cine artists? Which is your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actor? Parvati?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is your favorite actor?
Tovino.
Huh?
Tovino.
Tomino.
Tovino.
Okay. Means okay, you just move back some alt and you may this may ask to your parents. You will get a very common answer. Mammootty or Mohanlal. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Because the new actors, I am also not that much with that. So Mammootty and Mohanlal. That's what I am taking the common. How many of you like Mammootty? Just raise hand. Nobody? Only Mammootty fan, Hashar only. Very good. How many of you like Mohanlal? Very few are there. If I ask some other, what the son of Mammootty, who is he? I'm very least about this cine field. Okay. Who is he? The son of Mammootty?
Dulquer.
Dulquer. How many of you like Dulquer? Hand may raise your hand because he belongs to your current, contemporary. We can call it as a contemporary actor. He is a contemporary actor. So why had taken this exam? Yes, Misa, you have any special actor? If you have any special feature of any, you can speak to me. So why had taken this example, my dear children? Though they got a equal Mohanlal and Mammootty, they got a equal designation, equal means popularity, equal awards. We can add Suresh Gopi too. All trios received the Bharat Ratna. All are very popular actors. But are they equal in their behavior?
No.
Are they equal in their behavior?
No.
No, they are different from one person to another person. Now my questions to you. You selected few. Some said the answer, ma'am, I adore Mammootty. Someone given me the answer, my favorite Mohanlal. Someone given the answer, what Dulka? What is?
Salman.
But Dulka? What?
Salman.
Salman. Dulkar Salman.
Mammootty.
Mammootty. Okay. So my dear children, yeah. Ahmad, any new?
Dulquer Salman Mammootty's son.
Mammootty's son. Dulkar Salman is Mammootty's son. Okay. My dear children, you liked those personalities after reviewing their certificates? Give me the answer, Surya. Why you are dull today? After checking their certificates, you given me the answer. Madam, I love Mammootty. Madam, I love
No, ma'am.
Mohanlal.
No.
Then how you given the answer, Parvati? What you observed? Parvati given another answer.
Yes.
How you given that answer? After checking their educational background or the hard skills, you spoke about them?
Hard skills.
Hard skills.
No, like the way of acting.
They are
Acting.
acting. The acting means what? Acting based on their hard skills or soft skills?
Soft.
Soft skills. There means each movie character is different. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Each movie character is different. Okay. We will discuss on the movies. Dulquer Salman, who Muhammad given me. Dulquer Salman's 2 or 3 movies. Please.
I'm back.
If I know the story, I'll tell. What is Dulquer Salman's 2 movies? Come on, immediately.
Bangalore days.
Ustad Hotel.
Salala
Ustad
Mobile.
Hotel. Okay, Ustad Hotel I'd seen. Okay. One another.
Okay, Kanmani.
What?
Bangalore days.
Bangalore days. Both okay, no problem. Now come, my dear children. Elsa and Ahmad. Very wonderfully. Thank God. At least I had seen that both the movies. I'm not fan of. I'm not minds that much aware about the Kerala movies and all that. See, we'll discuss the topic on the basis of that. Then you'll get very easily the things. Okay. So here, the same character, the same person, Dulquer Salman in Ustad Hotel. How many of you seen that movie, watched that movie? Just raise your hand. Okay, all are. Nobody no? Everyone, no? Shreya, your answer yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So all of you seen Ustad Hotel scene, then Bangalore days. All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, back to the screen now. In Ustad Hotel, his character is an ambitious character. Dulquer Salman's character is a ambitious character. Though he has completed his MBA degree. MBA, no? Am I right? MBA or engineering?
Ma'am, cooking.
No, he has his core skill, his hard skills. First, we talk about the hard skills. He has completed his MBA, that is also from one of the foreign university.
Yes, ma'am.
And his father wished him to see in at the head of any of the corporate office. But what was his vision, his ambition? Cook. To want to be a chef instead of cook, we can say that a chef. Am I right? He wanted to enlarge his grandpa's small hotel, and he wanted to express his means he wanted to explore himself. Really, the word explore himself. He wanted to explore himself in the field of cooking. So somehow he managing, and he is coming back to Kerala. He started with the so on XYZ and he succeeded. He got success, no? Am I right? Or he failed or success?
Success.
Success. He became a successful man over there. Children, give me the answer. What helped him over there? Whether his hard skills helped or soft skills helped?
Soft skill.
Think and say. Whether his hard skills helped him or core skill helped him to
Ma'am,
become a successful human being. Yes, Suraja.
cooking skills, it's
Cooking skill come under.
soft skills, right?
Though it is a skill, but he shows his personality traits over there. Cooking means not only the skill of cooking, it entirely reveals his body language, his mind. All can't be a cook. Daily your mama is cooking, but your mama is not a cook, not a chef. Is she a chef?
No, ma'am.
No, she is not. For the sake, for the time being, means that she wants to feed her family members. Suppose mama is not feeling well. That time we enter the kitchen. Otherwise, now also I am sure. How many of you interested in cooking? Just raise a hand. I like those spices. I like, really. Suraja is not, you are not interested. Ashwin is not interested. Emmanuel is not interested. Nakul is not interested. Okay. But anyway, some of the other one like to cooking. Very good. Very good. So, is it mean that you are a chef? That's what you are going to kitchen?
No.
No, not at all. That means it's a part of your hobby. It's a part of your hobby. But for your mama, it's not a hobby. Yeah. Yes. Ahmad?
Yesterday I cooked
You yesterday cooked. What you cooked?
egg curry.
Which curry?
Egg.
Egg curry. Wow, very good. Is it tasty?
It was not that much of spicy.
Leave it. Don't worry. Be positive. We'll try for the next. Don't be desperate, okay? We'll try. Going on, try. If it is one. Cooking is like that only. I mean, then again I am coming. It needs practice. It needs practice. Okay. My point is like, my children, as you are moving to the kitchen, it is not the part of your regular routine. It's a part of your habits. You want to involve yourself in your free time. What do you mean by habits? How can we define habits? 8th standard. I'm feeling angry now.
Ma'am, that we do in our daily.
Something that you do regularly.
How can we define?
Ma'am, something that we do in our leisure time.
Yeah, exactly, my dear. Something we are engaging in our leisure time. Leisure time, you know, no? Now, because due to lockdown, we are having lots of leisure time. Only 3 lectures daily, 40, finish. And rest the entire day, we are under the leisure time. So we are enjoying one or the other thing, either in cooking or in dancing. Dancing, how many of you? Wow, very good. Or the trio, okay, very good. And some are in singing. Singing, how many? Singing, Surija, I'll ask to sing. Okay, who is very fond of singing? Who used to do daily practice? Who wish to keep your leisure time in singing? Nobody. Nobody. Wow,
music,
Amrita is
but
there.
I
Very
can't.
good, very good, very good, very good. I like singing. I like singing. I like to listen. I wish to sing also. Okay, not that much for me, for the satisfaction of me. Okay, come on, my children. So whenever in our we are properly utilizing our leisure time by engaging in one activity or another activity, that is known as our habits. So here, how we can add skills over here? The skills not in a broad sense, it in a small scale, we are making this part. Here like the mama is in the kitchen, it's a part of her responsibility. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
As she is a chef, so I am the chef of this house, wearing the cap and tie and having that coat. She is inside the kitchen, keeping the fork and spoon on the back of the ears and standing and coming to you. Okay, what's your order? May she ask like that?
No, ma'am.
Enjoy, children. She asked like that? No. Morning to evening, she tries to fulfill your needs, fulfill your stomach, or she wants you be very healthy and happy, so that she is cooking one or the other delicious things to you. She wants to see your charming face, beautiful face like Elsa. May her mom is very expert cook. That's why she is having a beautiful.
Standing next to me.
Yeah.
Just standing next to me.
She's hearing. Let her listen. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you. You made your child so charming and beautiful. Okay. So like our parents, our mother in the kitchen, it's a part of her responsibility. Her responsibility is to fulfill your needs. Don't divert, Lersa. Come on. We will talk later to mama. Okay. Okay. You divert from your topic. So as a part of the responsibility, she is in the kitchen. But you, as a part of your habits, that I told you, it is not generally a large scale, it is not a soft skill. It is the part of a small scale. It is the soft skill. There we can explain or define soft skill in that way. Your attitude, helping attitude. When you are in the kitchen means you are helping your mom. You love her. You are having a positive attitude, sincerity, kindness. So these all you always wanted to see happiness on others. So that is what you are over there. So my dear children, the soft skills always add few goodness to your character. That's why we need a soft skill along with the core skills. The core skill alone never give any happiness to you. If you want to live more happily, if you want to live more energetically, if you want to live more and more richy or royal way, along with the hard skills. Hard skill you understood now. Hard skill is nothing but the skill which is related to knowledge, mental skill. Mental skill. We have two way of thinking, mental and mind. Am I right? Is it? Do you have brain? All of you? How many of you have brain? Where it is it? Here or there?
Head.
Where is your brain? Here or there?
I'm here.
Sure? Sure? Albin is sure? Where is your brain? Here or here? Where is your brain? B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Where is your brain?
Mommy,
Huh? Where is your brain? Yeah, here. Intellectual. Where the intellectual place? Here. Is it? There is no doubt now? Any doubt?
No,
Nesrin, Sneha, Gauripriya, Gopika. I found you are absent in the class. Okay. So here. Then mind is where? See where it just show your mind. I am here. Just show your mind. Keep your hands over there. Feel. See, all of you say, I'm Elsa. See, I'm Shreya. I'm Surya. I'm Gobika. All of you, not unmute. Just mute and speak. I want to see your lip movements. From that I can identify. See, all of you, I'm Gobika. Keep your hands over here. Like, I'm Gobika. I'm Parvati. I'm Amurta. I'm Evans. I'm Rinon. I'm Niva. I'm Nihan. I'm Afreen. I'm Albin. I'm Faizan. I'm Nakul. How do you felt, my dear? You're feeling
Ma'am.
something positive, no?
Yes, ma'am. Peaceful.
Some peaceful you felt. You got some positive energy. Faizan, you are feeling well now?
Ma'am, little bit.
Little bit. You will get well and well till I finish the lecture. I am sure. So say, I'm well, I'm happy, I'm positive. So this helps you to create lots and lots of energy in your body. And in terms, it affects your personality. That's all, my dear children. Now, the topic is where we need this personality, why we could possess personality. You may ask the questions to me. You can ask, ma'am, it is lockdown. We are under harm, locked that. Emmanuel, good morning. I'm not received a good morning from you. Good morning.
ma'am.
Are you happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, in this lockdown, in this crisis, lots of crises are there. Economical crisis, not only the pandemic crisis. The virus. Early years, we heard the virus only in movies and only in computer. Is it? We heard that the hard disk is affected with the virus. So immediately we will call the technician. Then technician may ask, ma'am, it is affected with the virus. You go with the formatting. Am I right? Have you heard this word virus and formatting earlier? Yes. Then this virus in 3 Idiots. Have you seen the movie 3 Idiots? Yes, the virus. Okay, the 2 viruses very commonly spelled earlier. Now the COVID-19. So our topic is come back again. I'm using these tips to make you refresh, okay? Because soft skill is like the topic is that you won't refresh it, you won't get any in between that tablets, you won't get you get bored, okay? So my dear children, so why we need soft skills? That is a big question. That's big question. You may ask, you are not asking the questions to me. That's what I am only asking. I am only giving the answer. You may ask the questions to me. Why, ma'am, we need soft skills? Why we are under lockdown? We are under the roof. We are not moving out. We are not meeting any people. Everything is in our hands. Mama is giving food on table wherever I am sitting with my studies. And I don't have any personal or a public relationship or any social relationship. Why we need soft skills? It's a big question. You may ask. Is it? It's a big question.
Yes.
Answer. Think for 1 week. Come with the answer. Meet you again in next Thursday, same time with the importance of soft skills in your day-to-day life. As my dear point out that it's a time finish, so I have to finish here. Anyway, goodbye, my children. See you next day. Meet you again. Bye-bye. Till the time, prepare yourself. Why we need soft skills wherever we are using the soft skills. Okay. Till the time, goodbye, all of you. Bye-bye. Happy day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.